Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I'm Veronica. Welcome. I'm so happy that you took some time out of your day to spend with me. I make content for mamas and homemakers alike in all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. Today we are going to tackle my refrigerator back here. It is a mess, inside and out. So we are going to take everything out, clean off those shelves, and find a new way to organize. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future video. So let's get started. So excited because today's video is in collaboration with Dani from Dani Grace Daily over here on YouTube. She is a stay-at-home mom of 3, ages 5 and under, from upstate New York, and shares her family's journey to encourage moms to live a joyful, organized, and well-designed life through videos about organization, lifestyle, and self-love. So make sure you head over to her channel and check her video out when you're done here. Her link will be down in the description box. And if Dani sent you over here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Please make sure to say hello down in the comments and consider subscribing to my channel too. So here is a look at the fridge in its current state. As you can see, there are things stuffed absolutely everywhere. We have leftovers that need to be taken care of, and we just need an overall different approach to organizing this space. So we are going to go ahead and start off by clearing everything out. Here are a look at the doors. As you can see on this side, the shelving capacity is quite small. So it can't really fit a whole lot on this side, so we're going to try to make do with what we have. And on this side we have most of our condiments. So we are going to be taking absolutely everything out of this fridge, one shelf at a time, just so we don't get overwhelmed with product, and then we are going to declutter. Real quick, let's take a look inside the drawers so you can get a good before view. We just really need a new system in here. So in my mind, I'm going to go ahead and section off the fridge to make things a little bit more manageable. I'm going to begin by cleaning off all the shelves and wiping them down. As I'm taking everything out, I'm actually categorizing it by type of food on the counters. This makes it easier for me to organize when I begin putting everything back after the shelves are clean.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. What it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see.
And now that everything's off the shelves, I'm going to go ahead and wipe them down. For today, I'm just going to wipe them down really quick using a multi-surface spray from Mrs. Meyer's. When I typically deep clean them, I actually remove all the shelves and scrub them down in the sink. But I am actually doing this while the baby's napping, so I don't have all that much time.
Before the sun goes down, it's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
here is a quick look at the food that I took out in those categorized piles. Like I said, I like to put them in categories together on the counter, so I'm more likely to return them to the fridge together, and that way I don't have the same type of item in 4 different places. And now that the shelves are nice and clean, I'm going to start returning some of the items to the fridge. I am going to begin with this Lazy Susan. I absolutely love this, especially for its functionality. I'm able to see everything without having to take a ton of items out of the fridge, but I'm still able to get to the stuff that's in the back. So it's perfect for the jars of pickles and sauces as well. Next, I'm going to place our eggs in these ceramic containers. I absolutely love how these look sitting in the fridge. Before, I was using that plastic bin because the only eggs we were able to get were the huge packages from Costco. That's because eggs were sold out everywhere. But now that things are kind of calmed down and more readily available, I can go back to using these.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is real.
I'm also using these clear acrylic organizers to keep things in their certain places. I picked these ones up in particular at HomeGoods, but there are similar ones on Amazon that you can grab as well. I will link some similar ones down below for you to check out.
I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that.
I return the remaining items to the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and pull out all the fruit and vegetable drawers and go through the items there. I'm getting rid of anything that's gone bad and going to once again sort the like items together. Start off, I'm going to take all of the citrus and place them in this acrylic container as well. We use citrus just about every single day, so I like to keep things very accessible. I do the same thing with the pears and the apples. For some of the other items that roll around easily, I like to use glass bowls inside the drawers as well to be able to keep things tidy and in their place. If I don't use things to keep them tidy, they seem to get out of control so much faster. But this is an easy way to organize without spending any extra money. All you have to do is shop your cabinets for things that would work for your purpose.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
Now that all the fruits and vegetables are in their right places, it's time to return the drawers to the fridge.
I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day.
At this point, I'm also going to return the remainder of the items on the counter to their new homes.
It leaves you with a scar. Don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I gave it all to you for too long.
The next thing we need to tackle is the meat drawer. So I'm going to pull it out and put it on the counter and see everything that I am working with. Then I'm going to group all the like items together and get rid of anything that is bad before reorganizing it and making it look much neater.
Different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason why we do it all for love. There must be more for a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. Has got to come my way. Has got to come my way.
I have been wanting to keep drinks in the fridge for forever, and I finally have the space to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this shelf with different sparkling waters and some Diet Coke so that they are easy to grab and nice and cold. Let me tell you, I am so happy that I was able to make this work.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
Before we start cleaning out the doors, let's marvel a little bit at the work we have done so far, because let me tell you, it is oh so pleasing. The last section that we're going to clean out is the shelves in this right door. And to begin, I'm just going to remove all of them and wipe them out. To organize the door, I'm again grouping like items together. The top shelf will hold the dressings, the second will hold condiments and sauces, and the bottom shelf will hold all of our hot sauces. And that's it. That's how I clean and organize my fridge.
longer shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Here is a look at the final product. There is nothing better than a clean fridge. I love how the colors are popping and it is so functional. If you need more cleaning motivation between videos, make sure you're following me over on Instagram at soveryyveronica. I hope this video motivates you to tackle a project in your home. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel below and make sure to check out Dani's video after this. I will see you all in a couple days in another video. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Bye!
Pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a